Welcome to the complete LaborLink onboarding walkthrough. Together, we'll take a worker from the front gate all the way to a verified profile that travels with them across the entire farm network. Follow along in your own browser at hr.laborlinksoftware.co.za as we move. 5 steps. About 5 minutes. Everything you need lives inside one portal, ready when the worker arrives. This is the onboarding status screen. 5 numbered steps stacked down the page, each one currently marked pending. The Complete Next Steps button starts the flow. And over on the right, the quick and easy setup sidebar tracks your progress the whole way through. Here's the path: employee details, ID verification, biometric fingerprint, face biometrics, and finally, contract information. Let's walk them in order. Step 1. Employee details. The personal information block captures first name, last name, national ID, country of issue, date of birth, nationality, gender, and race. There's a Stays on Site toggle, an employee type selector, and an employee farm ID with a one-click Generate Site ID link. Next, contact information. Drop in a phone number. Notice the +27 South African flag prefix is preset, and add an email address. Under More Information, you'll capture an emergency contact name, emergency phone, relation, and any allergies. Required fields carry a small red star, and remember that Farm ID generates with a single click. Step 2. ID verification. Upload the document's front page straight into the drag-and-drop zone, JPEG or JPG, up to 10 megabytes, or use Browse File, pull from recent files, or skip it entirely. No scanner at the desk? Tap Continue on your phone, hit Get Secure link, and finish the upload from the worker's handset. Most farms complete ID verification right here, on day 1. That way the worker is fully verified before they ever set foot in the field. Step 3. Biometric fingerprint. The fingerprint pad lights up, the worker rests their finger, ridges scan in real time, and a green tick confirms, fingerprint captured. No reader detected? The portal shows clear driver guidance with a Learn More PDF and 3 options: skip biometrics, skip fingerprint, or retry fingerprint scan. Whenever you can capture it, every farm in the network benefits. Step 4. Face biometrics. 2 tabs, Front View 1 and Front View 2. Use the drag and drop card. Tap Capture Image to use the webcam, browse file, pull from recent files, or hand off to a phone with Continue on your phone. 2 photos give the system the redundancy it needs to confidently match this face across every farm in the network. Step 5. Contract information. The terms and conditions open right in the viewer. Tick Accept, click Next, and the contract is signed. Now background verification runs. 4 checks fire in sequence: ID check, then a duplication check against the worker's national ID, then the face image check, and finally the finger biometric check. Each one turns green as it clears. That duplication search sweeps the entire network, so no worker can be onboarded twice anywhere on the platform. Back on the onboarding status card, every step now carries a green tick. The worker is fully onboarded, fully verified, and connected to every farm in the LaborLink network. The worker walks confidently through the gate. On the HR manager's tablet, the complete profile is already live. 5 steps, about 5 minutes, fully onboarded, fully trackable, everywhere it matters. Try it yourself at hr.laborlinksoftware.co.za or book a guided walkthrough with our team. We'll run it live on a real day with a real worker, start to finish.